And since the participants are both Hindi and Telugu, so I've tried to have a combination of both Hindi and Telugu. So the first round will be, I'll give a movie name, and you have to sing as many songs as you can in 1 minute.
Those, yeah,
Is
each song
I
will
will
carry
sing
one.
Charanam, and you have to identify the Pallavi. And again, it's a mix of both Hindi and Telugu. And third round is we will play songs, and you have to identify the movie name.
Okay.
And fourth round will be some words will be given, and you have to sing the Pallavi with the Pallavi should contain that word, and again as many songs as you can within a minute. And the last round is going to be, we will show English lyrics of Hindi songs. You have to identify that Hindi song. We'll share the screen and we'll show you the Hindi English lyrics, and you have to identify the Hindi song.
Yeah.
Okay. So these are the 5 rounds.
So the last round is very interesting round.
PTC.
So with English lyrics, you have to identify the Hindi or Telugu song, and you have to sing that song.
And 5 you can pass, like for example, if team A doesn't get it, it will be passed to team B.
Pass the question. They can use our answers also.
No.
No, the those
Round
rounds
one
there's
doesn't
only
have
one
pass.
answer, right? There's only one
Round
answer
one
for
doesn't
those
have
rounds.
pass. So you cannot do that. Okay. Let's have one. Please, all of you, turn on your videos. It looks very good actually.
Okay.
Garima.
उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे. That is one. Okay.
Okay. So you're reading the two
Garima,
lines.
we want to enjoy that song.
2 lines. We want to enjoy songs.
Okay, then I think somebody else has to join because I wouldn't know all the lyrics of the songs. That's why.
Okay, Bindu.
You have to sing all the entire Pallavi. Just 1-2 lines is fine, Garima.
Yeah.
1-2 lines is fine, Garima. You just sing the second line. That's all. It's fine.
Just sing that.
This song I know only this much. So, उड़े दिल के जहां में ख्वाबों के परिंदे. Then the next one is न मैं जानू न मैंने सोचा न मैंने जाना ये तुमने मुझसे क्या कहा है सेनोरिटा
Rita.
मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेनोरिटा. That is the other one. The third one.
And you are checking the Navata?
Yeah. 10 more seconds.
एक जुनू एक दीवानगी. These are the only lyrics I know.
Yeah, time up, time up. We can consider 2 songs.
Yeah,
So group A, 2 points.
New Ashki.
Which Ashki? The new Ashki.
New Ashki. Aditya Rai.
New Ashki.
अब तुम जो. Okay,
Shailja.
one. And Monica, can you please continue the second one?
Once.
ना तू रो रही हूँ मैं, सुन रहा है ना तू रो रही हूँ मैं. I don't need to line with me right now.
Okay, next.
So 2. I think Abhilasha, Shailaja, Abhilasha asked.
Yeah, Abhilasha,
Sure.
can you continue?
Tell me. Yeah, Kavita, next song.
Okay, so now Telugu song to team A. Very easy, yeah. Pokiri. Telugu song.
గలగల పారుతున్న గోదారిలా మిలమిల పిలుస్తున్న.
Telugu movie Pokiri. Bindu,
Okay,
your
right?
team.
One is done.
Next song should I unmute?
ढोल ढोल दिल जरा जरा नी चाहिए.
Just saying the
Like,
word.
it's like nursery class. It's like sounding like rhymes.
Yeah,
They're
like,
not
like,
singing.
you just give me the last letter, na. I'll give so many songs. You are giving the name, and we are not able to actually.
Please sing a
we are
line.
becoming blank.
Hey, Poker is very famous movie. How many times did you
Sorry,
watch that movie?
I'm giving it to Harsha.
Okay. Now.
నా వయస్సు నిండా 16
Clap, Ray.
అలే నాకెవ్వరు నచ్చట్లే నా ఒంటిలో గుప్పట్లే నువ్వు జుమ్మంటూ తోడవ్వరే.
You heard me? Mahesh
Yeah, yeah.
Babu Srimantudu.
It's Ravindra_B, right?
1.
Don't Google Ravi Garu. I can see your
Yeah,
scene.
already. Rama 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 Dandula. So next, Ravi Garu chance.
చారుశీల స్వప్నబాల యవ్వనాల ప్రేమ పాఠశాల.
Jago, Jago Res.
Shall I unmute someone else?
దిమ్మ దుమ్ముల దిమ్మ తిరిగే టన్ 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 టడన్ 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 టడన్.
Very good. How many songs? 4 songs. Time up. Time up.
Okay, so the next Hindi movie to group A is Dil To Pagal Hai.
गरिमा है दिल दीवाना है हाँ ये पागल है ये दीवाना है पहली पहली बात
ले गई ले गई ले गई ले गई ले गई.
This is okay. That one is done. घोड़े जैसी चाल हाथी
ओ सावन
Amrita, your chance.
अरे ये क्या हुआ कोई न पहचाना.
अरे क्या हो गया कोई न पहचाना.
4 done. 4.
ढोलना ढोलना
4 done. 4.
ढोलना
कुछ तो बोलना.
कुछ तुम बोलो कुछ तुम
ढोलना.
Over na, Navta.
Time up.
Time up.
ఇంకిస్తే మొత్తం పాడ.
Movie name is मैंने प्यार किया.
Okay. आते जाते हंसते गाते. That's one song. कबूतर
दीवाना बिन सजना के माने ना.
Next.
कबूतर जा 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 कबूतर जा पहले प्यार की पहली चिट्ठी साजन को दे आई.
मेरे रंग में रंगने वाली परी हो या तुम परियों की रानी.
We can sing the
Time up. Time up. Time up.
Time up.
So group B also 5 points.
Okay, the last Telugu movie name is Bharat Ane Nenu. Group A Bharat Ane Nenu.
Yeah,
Oh,
next
Vasumati, oh, Vasumati, Vasumati. First song.
By the time they would have.
మీరు ఫాస్ట్ గా గూగుల్ చేసేసారండి.
Next song పాడండి.
రాజు గారు ఏంటి గూగుల్ చేసేస్తున్నారా?
నాకు ఛాన్స్ ఇవ్వట్లేదు చూస్తున్నాను.
ఇస్తున్నాను బాధ్యతనై ఉంటాను ఫర్ ద పీపుల్ ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ బై ద పీపుల్ ప్రతినిధిగా. అరే రే ఇది కలలా ఉన్నదే.
వచ్చాడయ్యా స్వామి.
టైం అయిపోతుంది.
Last song.
Time up. Time up. Time up.
గొంతుని వచ్చాడయ్యా స్వామి.
Same song, same song.
Okay.
I don't know.
Done.
No.
Time up. Time up. Time up. Time up.
Okay, so the next. Next movie. Done andi. 4 Telugu movies. Majili. Samantha. Majili.
Wait.
ప్రియతమా పలికినది హృదయమే సరిగమా ఎడెత్తు మల్లెలే కొప్పులోన పేసే దారిలేదే ఏ మనిషికే మజిలీ పైవాడు చూపిస్తాడు.
Next. Ravi garu, please.
3 songs so far.
बाहों में बाहें तेरी मेरा न मुझ में कुछ रहा हुआ क्या.
Group A. Yeah, Bindu.
I want to give it to Amruta. तुमसे
ही.
No, you have to sing. You have to sing the Pallavi.
Yeah.
Garimati, can you? तुम, you know this? तुमसे ही सुबह है.
बातों में बातें तेरी.
No, don't repeat the charanam.
Hey, you are singing again what she sang.
तुमसे ही दिन होता है, तुमसे ही शाम आती है, तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है, तुमसे ही ना है ये पाना.
Superb, yes. Superb.
ఏదో కష్టపడి like last minute somehow you all managed. Kavita, repeat, no?
खोजते खोजते तुझको देखो क्या से क्या ये नबी हो गया हूँ.
Everyone is typing in their phones. I can see that. Type fast. Google.
Raise your hand.
Yeah.
Shailaja, Garima has raised her hand.
Garima.
मोहम्मद लौट ना जाऊंगा खाली.
Correct.
So very nice. Super.
Sing a little bit.
Kavita, repeat.
నేనేనా ఇది అంటూ అనిపించినా అవునవును నేనే మరి కాదా.
కవిత నువ్వు మైక్ కొంచెం ఇలా దగ్గర పెట్టుకొని పాడవా.
చిత్రంగా నాకేనే కనిపించినా కవ్వించే చిత్రాన్నయ్యాగా.
గ్రూప్
ఏ దారం ఇలా లాగిందో మరి నీ తోడై చెలి పొంగిందే మది అడిగి పొడిగినది కాదులే తనుగా దొరికినది కానుక.
ఎవరంటే ఎవరైనదే సంతోషాలన్నీ మళ్ళీ అల్లుకుందే. ఎవరంటే ఎవరైనదే నేనా ఇలా నీలో ఉన్నా అవునా అంటూ ఆలోచిస్తున్నా.
के मैं निशानों पे चलूं रुकू इशारे पे.
खुदा जाने ये क्या हुआ है, खुदा जाने ये हो गया है कि बन गए हम मेरे खुदा. सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुमसे ही आके रुकता हूँ. क्या ये सच में होता हमको?
Okay, Bindu, I think
मैं फिदा हूँ
खुदा जाने ये
सजदे
मैं यूं ही झुका हूँ तेरी आंखें
पाता हूँ
सच
ये
में
सबको होता है
झुकता
हमको क्या लेना है
सबसे
सबसे
तुमसे ही सब बातें अब बन गए हो तुम मेरे खुदा जाने ये
Yeah, fine.
Done.
Group B. Kavita,
Super.
Group B.
Yeah, Group B, your the last Hindi song. No, Group B Hindi song, right? Yeah, the second Hindi song for you is खुशबू से तेरी यूं ही टकरा गए. Famous song. Okay, खुशबू से यूं चलते चलते देखो ना हम कहाँ.
छोड़ना
Yakshari.
पास आए दूरियां फिर भी कम ना हुई. I'm not very sure about the tune. कविता सही है, right? नहीं जा मिले इश्क सच्चा वही जिसको मिलती नहीं मंजिलें. वही तो रंग थे नूर था जब करीब
Madhvi, unmute yourself.
वक्त की रेत पे कुछ मेरे नाम सा
Madhvi, unmute yourself. Padu.
और गया तू कहाँ हमारी अधूरी कहानी हमारी अधूरी कहानी.
Okay, this is an old song, Telugu song for Group A. వెచ్చనైన గుండె గిన్నెలో వెన్నలింక దాచి ఉంచకు చెట్టు లేని తోటలో కన్నె వేణు ఆలపించకు ప్రేమ అన్నదే పల్లవైనది.
One more time, Kavita. Can you sing one more time, please?
వెచ్చనైన గుండె గిన్నెలో వెన్నలింక దాచి ఉంచకో పొన్న చెట్టు లేని తోటలో కన్నె వేణు ఆలపించకు ప్రేమ అన్నదే పల్లవైనది.
Yeah. Here Sharat, I think Sharat Garu is asking to unmute. Shall I?
Sharat Garu. Yeah, please give it to Sharat Garu.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear Andy. Pardon.
మిల మిల మెరిసెను తార నీ ప్రేమలో చిలిపిగా కురిసెను ప్రేమ నీ తోడులో. Yeah, that's it.
Very good.
మాసగా నిరీక్షించే ప్రాణం నీ చేతుల వాలగా చిగిర్చింది.
To give tough questions to them.
Kavita, one more time.
నీ కోసం మాసగా నిరీక్షించే ప్రాణం నీ చేతుల వాలగా చిగిర్చింది ప్రాయం నివాళిచ్చిన వనవలన్నీ నివేదించనా.
Super voice, Kavita.
Chala voice.
Thanks, yeah, thank you.
Kavita super. Yeah.
రాజా ఇటు చూడరా
నెల రాజా ఇటు చూడరా నెల రాజా ఉలుకేలరా కులుకేలరా వల రాజా తగువేలరా. I'm sure I'm not sure. No, no.
But yeah, that's the correct song. But that's the correct song. Yeah.
Stop people.
మరి ఫైటింగ్ కావాలి కదా, అందులోనే ఫైటింగ్ వస్తుంది.
Okay. Okay, next third round.
Buzzer round.
Buzzer round
and
kaadu.
all. No buzzer round. I'll play the song and you have to identify the movie name and that's all. If you can sing, you can sing.
అదే ఎవరైనా పాడేయచ్చా? You'll give one on.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Swarna, give it to Swarna. మూవీ నేమ్ చెప్పలేదు.
తొలి ప్రేమ
చెప్పారు.
ఓ
I'll answer your question first. So దిల్ అనేది ఎక్కడైనా రావచ్చా, or it should start with దిల్ or something?
No, పల్లవిలో ఎక్కడన్నా రావచ్చు.
दीवाना है पहली पहली बार.
You have to sing a little Pallavi. Yeah.
पहली बार हंसाता है यही यही रुलाता है, जो पागल है ये दिल दीवाना है, दिल चुके सनम तेरे हो गए हम, तेरी कसम
तेरी
कसम है क्या जानू रे, दिल
प्यार प्यार मैं क्या जानू रे, जाने तो जाने पर फिर ना कि मैं जब ना जानू रे, दिल
प्यार प्यार मैं क्या जानू रे, दीवाना माने ना ये तो पगला है.
बदतमीज दिल
बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल.
अच्छा कमान.
मेरा गला है मेरी मंजिल
बिना
गुजारा Time up.
Okay.
But what a fun, yeah.
This is fun.
Very good.
This is fun. Very good.
Yeah.
Amrita, you have very good support.
Time starts now.
Because, yeah, your time starts now.
दीवाना होता है मस्ताना होता है,
हर दम से बेगाना होता है.
Second song.
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल,
प्यार हुआ
दिल
चुपके से ये क्या हुआ चुपके से.
Okay, fourth song. दिल में प्यार प्यार
दिल विल
अपना नूरे, दिल प्यार
मैं क्या जानूं, मैंने प्यार तुम्ही से किया है, मैं दिल भी तुम्ही को दिया है, अब चाहे जो हो जाए दुनिया से अपना
Time up, Navta.
प्यार किया तो डरना क्या, डरना क्या.
మనిషి బార్ పాడేస్తారు వాళ్ళు.
అదే కదా. Not unmute. No. Okay, fine. Time up.
8 songs.
Yeah, time up. I can consider only 4 songs. Only 4 songs are clear.
No.
Hey, no. You're all singing together.
Hey, Navta, no. At least 6 songs.
Clearly sang 8 songs. See, you're not following. See, the group, one after the other they sang. You're all like wanted to make it 10 at a time. How can you make 10 at a time?
That's their mistake. We sang all the songs. Like whatever is
All the Pallavi
Navata, 6 songs are very clear,
You want
Navata.
us to fight, right? We
Hey,
started. You
I
just
am
enjoy it now.
asking them to fight. Leave no Kavita. Let them fight. I want them to fight.
No.
One extra.
Fight. I am giving only 3.
Navata, let us fight. This is 8.
Yeah.
No, we cannot count it here, yeah, because everybody singing some other song. We just
No.
sing all the songs.
Bindu, let's fight. 8.
Say all the songs, one after the other.
I gave 6 points. Cool down. I gave 6.
No.
I gave 6.
Be fair.
No, 6
Okay,
songs. 6
Navata,
songs.
Navata, do one thing.
Give another word.
Do one thing. No.
No. Don't give no.
Then
We
we
will,
five points. That's all. Because
we will do all 8 songs
sing
again.
each song. How can we count like that? Yeah, we sang the same song. Everybody.
No, Bindu, you are not counting. The judges are counting. Okay, let them
No. So,
No, I'm saying 6.
not like that.
I'm saying 6.
Pyar Mohabbat doesn't cancel.
See, if
eight.
there are 5 to 6 people, just take 2 each and count it like 12. If there are 7 people,
nobody did that, Bindu. Nobody did that. We all sang 8 different
No,
songs.
Monica, the problem I'll tell you, Monica. See what is happening at a time. 2 people are singing 2 different songs. How is it possible? I mean,
You wanted fight, right?
yeah, that's why we
you
are fighting.
fight.
So we just
Let's fight.
reason to fight. And
Then
Navata,
8 points.
just
It was 8
get
points.
the points. That's it.
No, we are not.
I am saying reasonable 6, no, Monica.
7 is reasonable.
Okay, no bargaining
They
here.
also sang 6.
Sorry,
Why
Navata,
should
no
we get
bargaining.
6?
Seven,
We
sir.
sang 8.
We are again at the same score, but
Monica, Ruchika,
We
what
don't
are you
want the
saying?
same score, Navata. We don't want the same score.
we'll get the
Okay,
same
I'll give 5.
We don't want 6.
We then that is
Okay, then for the next song, you just unmute my complete team. You unmute it. We will sing 2 song. You count it like
Fight.
88.
Nice fight. Let's enjoy Kavita.
we
You
sang
want it, na?
ready to sing 8 songs again, if you want.
No, you want it, na? That's why we are doing.
He'll sing all the 8 songs
Yeah.
if you want.
Yeah, I know.
Navata, to make you happy, they are just fighting. Give 8 points. That's it.
The fight will end. Sang 8 songs. Even if 2 people were singing, they were different songs.
Yeah, correct.
Our team participated and our team gave you separate 8 songs.
And Navata,
Yeah, but this is
Navata,
why
one more
I'm
request.
saying I'll mute one after that. I'll unmute one after the
It's
other.
an argument. That's all. It's an argument. It's not a fight. We are just arguing.
Hey, Bindu, it is a fight.
Whatever you call, you want to
Shailaja wants to fight.
Yeah, Shailaja wants to fight.
Shailaja wants a big fight.
No, fight.
No, to make Navata happy, I want to fight with them.
Started.
Okay. What I'm saying.
Nah, you just give 5 points. Don't.
No.
Hey,
Continue.
Bindu,
What
baby,
is it?
enough. Come on.
We sang 8 songs.
7 or
Not
6.
8
Okay.
songs, different 8 songs. That is clear.
6
Whether it
is fine, yeah. 6 is fine. We cannot fail, yeah. Please.
was overlapping is a different story, but you got 8 songs.
Okay, next word, Kavita, for group A. 6.
This is partiality.
This is not
Why partiality?
partiality. You say tough word for group B.
And just because they got 6 points. we
Okay,
don't want
Kavita, let's do one thing. This first thing will cancel. Both their points will cancel. Okay? So give. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's cancel. Okay? Fine. Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay.
The first
Vani.
song for both of the A and B group, we are canceling the points. You give another word, Kavita.
Yeah, please don't just.
Don't, no overlapping. So let me be.
You want fighting, you want fighting.
Yeah, this is very nice. Very nice fighting happened.
Look at her
Very
face.
good.
She's so happy. Okay. The word I can think of right now is maybe mohabbat.
Yeah.
ये जो मोहब्बत है ये उल्टा है कहाँ महबूब साहब बस लेते हुए ना मत जाए मिट जाए जाए
Next song, Garima di.
मोहब्बत
बरसा देना तू
सावन आया तेरे और मेरे मिलने का मौसम आया
सांसों से नहीं कदमों से नहीं मोहब्बत से चलती है तू
20 seconds more.
फोर्थ सॉन्ग मोहब्बत हो गई है, मोहब्बत हो जाने दो, मोहब्बत हो गई है, मोहब्बत हो जाने दो. That was Badshah's song. And
जिंदा रहती.
Time up. Time starts now.
Okay, Ruchika, start.
Go first.
Yeah.
ये रातें ये मौसम नदी का किनारा ये चंचल हवा
आजा शाम होने आई मौसम है अंगड़ाई
है लड़ाई बोलो बोलो बोलो
मौसम मौसम लवली मौसम कसक अनजाने मध्यम मध्यम चलो
Monica.
मिल
ఎవరైనా పాడచ్చు.
बड़ा बेईमान है बड़ा आज मौसम बड़ा बेईमान है.
Start. Ruchika, start.
मौसम की सरगम को सुन क्या गा रहा है दिल समा
सुहाना
सरगम को सुन क्या गा रहा है समा
Time up. Time up. Vinagar. Time up. So 5 songs.
5 songs.
Yeah.
Okay, next.
No fight. I thought you'll fight again.
నో టీమ్ ఏ ఇప్పుడు తెలుగు వర్డ్ మీకు ప్రియతమా. టీమ్ ఏ
హలో స్టాప్
వెయిట్
ప్రియా రాగాలు చెలి కుశలమాందాలు.
నెక్స్ట్
ప్రియతమా నీ వచ్చట కుశలమా నీ వచ్చట
నెక్స్ట్
ప్రియతమా
నా హృదయమా
ప్రేమకే ప్రతిరూపమా. నెక్స్ట్
ప్రియతమా
నెక్స్ట్
డర కౌంట్ అవ్వదు. డర కౌంట్ అవ్వదు. 3 డర నాట్ కౌంటెడ్. నెక్స్ట్
ప్రియతమా నీ పలికినది
చిలిపిగా.
ఓకే నెక్స్ట్
ప్రియతమా
ప్రియతమా నీ వచట కుశలమా నే నిచట కుశలమే ప్రియా ప్రియతమా రాగాలు ఓ సఖీ కుశలం ప్రియ
Time up. 7 songs.
లాస్ట్ సాంగ్ కన్సిడర్ చేసా. టైం అయిన తర్వాత పాడారు లాస్ట్.
Next.
వాన వాన వెల్లువై కొండ కొన తుల్లిపోయి వల్లప్ప వల్లప్ప వల్లప్పగించే సామిరంగా.
Good. Next, fourth one.
గాలి వానలో వాన నీటిలో పడవ ప్రయాణం అరెరే వాన జడివాన వచ్చేనంటే వరదొస్తది వచ్చేనంటే వలపొస్తది. గాలి వానలో వాన నీటిలో పడవ ప్రయాణం.
అయిపోయింది.
గాలివాన
అయిపోయింది ఇందాక.
కొంచెం కేర్ఫుల్ గా విను.
మల్లె పూల వాన జల్లుల్లోన తొలకరి ఆనందాన మల్లెల బాణ నాలోన మనసంతా.
8 songs. 8
songs. Very good.
సో గ్రూప్ A 7 అయితే గ్రూప్ B 8.
8 songs.
డబుల్ ఎక్కడ
యా లాస్ట్ రౌండ్ కవిత. Let's do last round. It's already
Team A. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Limey, lemony, lemon, hey, raw, small, lemon, please bring.
What is the equivalent?
Kavita, mind blowing way you are getting.
Okay.
Yeah. Bindu.
Yes. Time చూసుకోండి. నవ్వుతా టైం చూసుకోండి.
We need to sing, right?
Yeah, your time starts now.
నిముడా hey నిముడా ताजा छोटा छोटा निमुड़ा लाइदो अरे लाइदो नींबू लाइदो
Yeah.
Okay.
Good, very good. Claps
Yeah.
to Bindu. Virtual claps. Breathe for your life. All you need is a darling to love. Team B, your time starts now.
It's a pass round.
శైలి ఎవరికైనా వస్తుంటే చెప్పు, నేను కవిత అన్మ్యూట్ చేయాలి. లేకపోతే నీకు వాట్సాప్ లో టైప్ చేయమను, నువ్వు చెప్పేసాయి పేరు.
నువ్వు చెప్పేసాయి.
అది బెటర్, దట్స్ బెటర్ యాక్చువల్లీ.
ఇది ఇంకా పాడేది
ఈ స్క్రీన్ షేర్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా,
ఇంకా పాడేది ఏం లేదు కదా.
Bindu.
Pass, please.
Pass. Pass to Veena.
Pass, time out. అరే అంత టైం ఏంట్రా బాబు.
వీణా అంట, నవ్వుతా వీణా అంట.
సాసోं की जरूरत है जैसे.
सासों की
जरूरत है
जैसे. या
आ सॉन्ग
की जरूरत है जैसे
जिंदगी के लिए बस एक सनम चाहिए आशिकी के लिए. Okay, please okay, so next
మాధవి పాడారా?
Yeah, you see it, right?
With cold water, you should have a bath. Whether you know how to sing or not, you should sing a song.
नहाना चाहिए,
गाना चाहिए,
ठंडा ठंडा पानी से नहाना चाहिए.
One hot cup of tea, someone to serve it. Be it fair or misery, someone to serve it.
चाय की प्याली हो, पिलाने वाली हो, चाहे
गोरी हो या काली हो,
पीने से लगाने
वाली हो, मिल जाए तो मिल जाए हर
तररम पम पम.
Okay, the next song.
Last है.
KVS and Raju garu unmute cheskondi. Sister, your brother-in-law is a fanatic. Oh Lord, throw seeds for girls. This is his old profession. Oh Lord, throw seeds for girls.
गुड़ियों को
धंधा है ये उसका पुराना, धंधा है ये उसका पुराना.
गुड़ियों को डाले दाना.
Very nice.
जैसे शेर का शिकार.
You're on mute all the time. The moment I unmute, you are starting. Wait.
We have stopped it, yeah. Wait.
Okay. KVS and Raju garu unmute.
You already showed the
Group
B.
I forgot which group.
Group B. It's for Group B.
Okay, this is the song.
Sometimes we match like sari and it's
साड़ी की फॉल साड़ी
my
के
heart.
फॉल साड़ी
मैच किया रे, कभी तोड़
दिया दिल भी
कभी कैच किया रे, कभी मैच किया रे, कभी तोड़ दिया दिल, कभी कैच किया रे, टच करके
Okay, fine.
अटैच किया रे.
Very good.
Okay.
Yeah, just share one. Just taste the juice of my love, oh buttery. Don't steal ice like that, oh buttery.
मेरे प्यार का रस जरा चखना, ओए मखना,
तेरा दिल तेरा मखना, ओए मखना.
One more last.
Hey, wait, Kavita. Did you all do some preparation before?
Maybe the paper was
unmute. God, you all went to coaching classes.
I think there is some paper leakage just before the program.
Yeah, I know. Kavita, my photo to your chest with super glue.
मेरे फोटो को सीने पे चिपका ले भैया फेविकॉल से.
Yeah. So good. This round is
rounds.
Kavita.
कर दो जोली मेरी या मोहम्मद, लौट कर मैं न जाऊंगा खाली. Hey, sing it with me, yeah.
Yeah, is always difficult word.
Okay, la.
Group A, la.
time చేస్తారు వాళ్ళు.
Oh, stop, Bindu.
Deducted for this. Marks have to be deducted for this.
Wrong. Lago start అయింది.
Kavita, అందరు మ్యూట్ చేసాయి. అందరు మ్యూట్ చేసాయి.
ఫైటింగ్ వద్దా?
అరే అసలు వినట్లేదు.
Muted everybody.
మంచిగా ఫైట్ చేసుకోమంటున్నావు, ఫైట్ చేసుకుంటే అన్మ్యూట్ చేసేస్తున్నావు.
ఫైటింగ్ అంటే ఇది మరి అసలు టూ మచ్ ఫైటింగ్ అయిపోతుంది.
ఓకే, సో కంటిన్యూ. నెక్స్ట్ వర్డ్.
Yeah, la to group B has to sing with la.
Yeah.
Okay, your time starts now. Group B.
Telja, can I sing?
लड़की
Yeah, start.
रे बाबा उसकी नशा,
रे
रे
बाबा
बाबा रे बाबा रे बाबा बाबा बाबा
लड़की है क्या रे बाबा
somebody else is singing this song.
भी तेरा ही ख्याल आए, क्यों बिछड़ना जरूरी ये सवाल आए, थोड़ा खफा हो गया अपने आप से, थोड़ा सा तुझको भी नफा क्यों सवाल आए, मैं जो तुमसे दूर हूँ क्यों दूर मैं रहूं, ये सब तू ख्वाब तोड़ दूं.
Okay, fine. A letter to end చేశారు. Which letter you are ending? You are not ending. Stop it. Ending.
तोड़ दूं.
The do anything. So group B, the didi anything. Group B.
It's told.
Ruchika, go. Dam maro dam
All of you sing.
Bolo subha sham, Hare Krishna Hare Krishna दुनिया से हमको मिला क्या, दुनिया से हमने लिया क्या, हम सबकी परवाह करें क्यों, सबने हमारे
माधवी अनम्यूट చేసుకో.
जाए हम
बोलो सुबह
कृष्ण हरे कृष्ण हरे.
శివ గారు అన్మ్యూట్ మళ్ళీ మీరే మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకున్నారు. ఓకే ఫైన్ ఫైన్. హరే కృష్ణ హరే రామ్ మా విత్ మా గ్రూప్ ఏ.
ఏంటి మాతో సాంగ్స్ రావట్లేదా?
మనసు ఉన్నది చెప్పాలన్నది.
అందరూ కలిపి పాడండి.
అందరూ కలిపి పాడండి.
గ్రూప్ బి.
ఉన్నది మంచి సంగతి బయట అతడిని చూస్తే బిడియమ్మ వీధిలో
చాలు ఇంకా మీరు ఎప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి లెటర్ ఇస్తారు
ఫ్లోర్ ఆపొద్దు, ఫ్లోర్ ఆపకండి.
లెటర్ మర్చిపోయాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద లెటర్?
దానే మళ్ళీ చాలా పాడుతూనే ఉన్నారు
మళ్ళీ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు.
చెప్పండి త్వరగా.
Oh God, this is never ending.
It is la.
La. So for group B, it's la now. La for group B. So just tell me when you are ready. Group B, మాధవి అందరూ ఒకటే పాడాలబ్బా.
అబ్బా మరి నేను పాడాను అక్కడ కొట్టాను వెనకాల స్టార్ట్ చేస్తారేమో అని పాడా.
Okay, Madhu, continue. Madhavi, continue.
Vote right hand under vote.
Hey, we got a new letter. Ga. End it, please.
Okay,
ga.
stop. Ga for group A.
గాలివానలో వాననీటిలో
రాజు గారు మీరు ఏ గ్రూప్ రెండు సైడ్ పాడేస్తున్నారు. Hey Amrita, wait. He already started. Wait. రాజు గారు పాడండి.
గాలివానలో వాననీటిలో
ప్రయాణం తెలియదు పాపం
నా పడవ
వినేవాళ్ళందరూ పాపం ఆపేసేయండి ఇంకా. నిద్ర వస్తుందా?
No ma, please.
बदल के साथ
We'll take ya. There's a not ending.
कोई समझ न पाए कोई याद जरा ढूंढ
जाने का दिल खो गया. न जाने कहाँ दिल खो गया. Yeah. Take ya.
Kavita. Yeah. 0 for group B. 0 point.
Why 0 re?
Group B 0. That's all.
Why?
We decided. That's all. 0.
Why?
That's all.
You want to fight, Navata? You want to fight?
Go for fight.
First decision is final.
Yeah. Okay, fine. ఇప్పుడు ఏది లాస్ట్ లెటర్? ఇది లాస్ట్ ఫిఫ్త్ సాంగ్ ఆపేద్దాం.
Yeah.
Group A. Yeah.
मोहब्बत है ये उनका है काम महबूब का जो
बस लेके
मरना है मिट जाए
हो जाए
बदनाम तो छोड़ो
जाने दो यार
जाने दो छोड़ो जाने दो हम
करेंगे
प्यार र पर ग्रुप भी र
राजा को रानी से प्यार
हो गया
पहली नजर में
प्यार हो गया
दिल तेरे नजर दिल के पार हो
गया राजा को रानी से प्यार हो गया
यो
We will stop.
Continue. Yamaho
in my hands.
Nagari.
With one press, I can just end the meeting. I without
Not before you say that.
okay?
He'll be the
In my
winner.
hands.
That will be unfair. You get this day. You don't get this opportunity every day. So you need to extend for 1 more hour. It's getting excited. At least for 10-15 minutes.
Okay.
No.
Oh, it's too late.
Who wants to put thumbs up? Then we'll continue. Nobody wants Madhavi. Only
So
you
मैं
want.
अकेली
लगी रहे.
Yeah.
One, don't worry.
Had fun.
Okay. You all had fun. Really want winners, huh?
Yes.
Want me to announce winners?
Yes, please. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah,
Just say
group
group
B.
B.
Group
That's
B is
it.
the winners. Group B is the winners. And they win by 3 points. Okay. So before we leave, this is the last program of this year's cultural events. So hope you all liked, you all enjoyed. We tried our best to do virtually. Definitely, this is not like the original one, but still we are happy that
It was
It's
good. It
more
was
than the
very
original
good.
one. It's more than the original one. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank
Bye
you
bye.
all.
Thank you, Navita.
Thank you.
Thank you, Navita.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Navita.
Thank you.
Everyone.
Good night,
Everyone.
all.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Navita.
Bindu
Bye bye.
Shailaja, thank you.
Yeah,
Good night,
welcome.
organizers, and good night, all the participants.
Okay, can I
We
press
are the
end?
winners.
Can I end the meeting?
No pass, no.
Yeah, we are the winners.
Hey, no pass, no pass, no pass. No pass, no pass.
We have
Winner